Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love keeping your car clean, shiny, and swirl-free, you already know how important a good snow foam cannon is. Thick foam helps loosen dirt safely before you ever touch the paint. Today, I'm breaking down the best snow foam cannons you can buy in 2025, based on performance, foam density, build quality, price, and real-world results. So grab your pressure washer, drop a like, and let's get started. What makes a great snow foam cannon? Before we jump into the list, let's quickly cover what actually makes a snow foam cannon great, because not all of them are the same. Here are the key things to look for. Foam thickness. The denser the foam, the better it clings and pre-soaks the car. Build quality. Brass connectors and durable bottles prevent leaks. Adjustability. A good cannon lets you control both foam concentration and spray pattern. Compatibility. Always check PSI and GPM requirements for your pressure washer. Ease of use. Wide mouth bottles, clear markings, and sturdy threads make a difference. Now that we know what to watch for, let's go through the top snow foam cannons. And at number 1, the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro Vitive 2, the king of foam thickness in 2025. This model is famous for producing some of the thickest foam in the industry, even when using weaker pressure washers. MJJC engineered a dual-stage aeration system inside the nozzle that whips the soap into a super dense foam blanket. The construction is excellent, the bottle is ergonomic, and the adjustments are precise. At number 2, we have the legendary MTM Hydro PF22.3, the latest generation of the most respected foam cannon in the detailing world. MTM Hydro is known for premium Italian engineering, and this version is outstanding. You get extremely smooth adjustment controls, a thick-walled wide-mouth bottle, and some of the densest foam possible. This is professional-grade hardware designed to last years. Coming in at number 3, the Chemical Guy's Big Mouth Max Release. This cannon is all about speed and usability. The opening of the bottle is huge, making it extremely easy to fill without spilling or wasting product. The foam output is also very impressive, especially when paired with a strong pressure washer. At number 4, we have the MaxShine Snowmaster Foam Cannon V2. This is one of the best mid-range options on the market. It has a thick plastic bottle with a wide base. Foam performance is definitely above average. Dense, clingy, and reliable. At number 5, we have the MJJC Foam Cannon SV 3.0, the newest version in the S line. This model is all about value and upgraded technology. MJJC redesigned the internal aeration system so it produces thicker foam than older budget cannons, especially with medium power pressure washers. The bottle is sturdy, the adjustments feel smooth, and the foam output is impressive for the price point. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which foam cannon you're using or which one you want me to test next. If you enjoyed this comparison, hit that like button, subscribe for more detailing content, and I'll see you in the next video.